Chapter number 4, Nutrition in Living Organisms. What is malnutrition? What is the answer of this question? Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in a proper proportion from a diet. Means in a proper proportion, if uh, nutrients need of nutrition is not obtained in a proper proportion, that is called as malnutrition. Second, which are the ways to prevent malnutrition? Which are the way to prevent malnutrition? Malnutrition can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. What? By taking a balanced diet and avoiding the deficiency of any nutrition. If you take a balanced diet, this is a prevention of malnutrition. Now see, what do you mean by nutrition? The process of taking in using food which takes place in living organism is called as nutrition. Means our balanced diet. Need of nutritions to supply the energy required for doing work. Means when we are doing work, that time we need energy. Growth and development of the body. For our body's growth and development, we need nutrition. Third, to replace the damaged cell and repair tissues. Which are damaged cells are in our body? To replace that damaged cells and repair tissues. Fourth, to fight diseases. To fight diseases. For fighting diseases, we need nutrition, balanced nutrition in our body. Now see, there are two types of nutritions. Autotrophic nutrition. Some organisms can produce their own food and thus nourish themselves. This is called as autotrophic nutrition. Means some organisms produce their own food. The best example of autotrophic nutrition is plants. No, plants are making their own food and thus nutritions themselves. This is called as autotrophic nutritions. Second, heterotrophic nutritions. Some organisms depend on other organisms, plants or animals for their food. This is called heterotrophic nutrition. The best example of heterotrophic nutrition is us. Means a human being. Human being not produce their own food. They are depends upon plants and animals for their food. That's why animals, human being is an example of heterotrophic nutritions. Nutritions. Some life processes go on continuously in living organisms. Substances which are digested and assimilated for obtaining energy and for the growth of the health of our body are called as foodstuffs. Foodstuffs means we need food, nutritions to growth and development of our body. Whatever food we eat in a day, it is called as a foodstuffs. We get several type of nutrients from foodstuffs. From different food stuffs, we get different nutritions. Nutrients can be classified into two types. See, there are two types of nutrients: macronutrients and micronutrients. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins and fats are required in a large quantity. These are macronutrients. Means the nutrients which required in a large quantity, that nutrients is called as macronutrients. Minerals and vitamins are required in very small quantities. Minerals and vitamins we required in a very small quantity. They are called as Micronutrients. Micro means a small. Which nutrients we required in a very small quantity, that nutrient is called as micronutrients. And the nutrients which required in a very large quantity, that nutrients is called as a micronutrients.